my god, Tony Stark. These are slow for 600. That's weird. That hand sanitizer is the kind that smells like tequila.
And it's very slimy.
Oh, I hate that.
What the actual fuck?
That was sus. Oh, look at these lanterns.
I added an elevator. Do you see an additional elevator?
Yes. Look at that lantern. That's awesome. Where should we go? 2?
Sure.
I don't know why I did that on the way up. That was weird. See what the cab is like. Oh, that's really nice. Look, it's like mirrored. That's a pretty cab. Fix that. Let's go to a different floor. Okay. Five. This is fucking on the way up.
Has some drive problems.
Really? So apparently that's where it locks. Anyway, let's just hop off here.